Story time, kids. Now, what did Caillou do today? Today's story is called Caillou Makes Cookies. It all happened when Caillou was just 3 years old. La 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 la. Caillou, you have to play quietly now. Rosie's gonna take her nap. Shh. Caillou, but I want to play. You can still play. Just do it quietly. Caillou felt that being quiet wasn't as much fun as being noisy. Caillou, I asked you to play quietly. Cookies. I want cookies. I'm hungry. So Caillou went to the kitchen. Honey. Whoa. Caillou decided to make some honey cookies. And so Caillou got to work, making a whole bunch of honey cookies. Fat ones, skinny ones, flat ones, and round ones. Oh, Caillou, what are you doing? I'm making cookies. Look at the mess you made. Do you want to have Mommy clean it up? Yes, Mommy, me and you. You have to make sure the kitchen is nice and clean. Now, where's that dustpan? I found it. That's the way my favorite pepper. Caillou is very proud. He was helping Mommy make cookies. Mommy, you made a mess. You're right. Mommy makes messes too. Daddy, try the cookies. Try the cookies. Maybe it's good cookies. I did, and Mommy helped. Mommy, Daddy, look. What are you making, Caillou? A big mess.